Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of CreditRepairSweep.com. In this video, we're going to show you how we're able to dispute over 13 negative accounts in the first round of disputes. No one online is getting results like this. Let's go in. Okay, let's go to the credit reports. And as you can see, this is the most current report, which is June the 12th, 2019. All right. So now we're going to go back to April 3rd. This is when we initially started. We started looking at the report. And so you can see right here where it says the score is 507. And you can see the date where it says April 3rd, right? We're going to go to the accounts. And you see it has that capital one, that negative account. Credit limit is 2,000. And then you see all of these 12 closed accounts. They're all negative. Look at that. Red all over the place, right? So you're talking about 12 negative accounts and then one. So that makes 13 negative accounts. So now we're going to fast forward to June 12th, which is the most recent report, right? And as you can see, the accounts, see, June 12th, and the only 8 accounts that's on there, and these are all positive. These are all current, and these are the student loans. These are all positive. As you can see, 0 closed accounts. So all of the negative accounts have been removed. Even if we go to collections, there's no collections, there's no inquiries, there's no public records. We're going to go back to April 3rd. And you see there's 15 inquiries. So we got 15 inquiries removed and 13 negative accounts. Remember, we're on April 3rd. Look, the capital one, that one negative account right there, that's open. And then we got 12 negative accounts. That's 13 negative accounts that's removed. Get in touch with us and let's go over your credit report, and let's see what we can do to get you that higher credit score and get you some personal or business funding. Have a great day.